New, totally new, PreDip spray, the world famous cleaner for use before you dip, just got upgraded. Brand new, got upgraded. Brand new, state-of-the-art aerosol, foams and clings to the surface. Makes cleaning your wheels easier. Won't run down the face of the wheel. Wheels, your car. But wait, there's more. Did you know that PreDip in a spray bottle currently accounts for over 50% of our UPS damages? PreDip in an aerosol can won't damage with impact. See? Let's run the impact test. Virtually no damage. That means your packages will get to you faster and safer than ever. Now every car kit and wheel kit from DYC will have PreDip in a new aerosol format. It'll work better, it'll damage a lot less, and it's awesome. Are you tired of your PreDip spray coming out of a slow, low pressure spray bottle? Are you sick of PreDip spray? Are you sick of a runny, thin PreDip that runs? Are you sick of a liquid that runs down the face of this? Are you tired of having PreDip run down the face of the surface you're applying it to? New high-tech formula, foams, clinging to the surface. But wait, there's more. Did you know that But wait, there's more. 40% of our current UPS damages, PreDip spray. PreDip spray, the world famous cleaner for use before you dip, just got upgraded.